Today, let us see about the construction line command. The construction line command creates a line of infinite length. The command equivalent of the construction line is xline. The construction line command can be used to create construction and reference lines. For example, when you are drawing orthographic drawings, the construction lines command will be very useful. Now, let us see how it works. So, click on the construction line command. The construction line command is found on the draw title bar. So click on this down pointing arrow here. Display list of options. Then click on this push pin icon here to make it sticky. So the construction line is here. Now click on it. After click on the construction line command, now the command window prompts you to specify a point. So let us specify a point here. After that, the command window now prompts you to specify a through point. Now specify as many points as you wish. So in this case, I'll specify just as many points as I wish, like that. When you're done, click enter. And now let us run this. That is how you use the construction line command to draw a line of infinite length in any way you want. Now again, select the construction line command. And now look at these sub options here on the command window. As you can see, there are several sub options displayed here. So let us see how they work. Starting with the horizontal option. So click the horizontal option. The first option here. Once you click on the horizontal option, you can see that an infinite horizontal line appears, and the command window prompts you to specify through point. Now you can draw as many lines as you wish. So let me specify as many points as I wish. Simply like that. When you are done, click enter. Now again, click on the construction line command. And now from this list of options here on the command window, select the vertical option. After select the vertical option, a vertical line appears on the screen with the command window prompting you to specify through point. Now again, you can draw as many lines as you wish. So I'm going to draw here just as many lines as I wish. Like this, and when you're done, click enter. Now let us run this. Again, select the construction line command. Now click the angle option, this option here. After that, the command window prompts you to enter the angle of the construction line. In this case, type 30 and then press enter. So I'll type 30 and then press enter. As you can see, a construction line tilted at an angle of 30 degrees appears on the screen, and then the command window now prompts you to specify through point. So now you can draw as many lines as you wish. Simple like this. As you can see, all these construction lines are tilted at an angle of 30 degrees. When you're done, click enter. Let's just erase this. Now, once again, click on the construction line command. And now, draw two construction lines like these ones. Like this, and press enter. After that, select the construction line again, and then select the bisector option from the command window. After select the bisector option, you can see that the command window prompts you to specify angle vertex point. So click at this point here where these two lines intersect. This point here. And now you are prompted to specify the angle start point. The angle start point can be a point at any of these two lines. You can click on any line. In this case, I will click on this line here. Make sure you enable the nearest option in the object snapping mode. And now the command window prompts you to specify angle endpoint. So now click at any point on the other line. So just click on this point here and then press enter. And as you can see, a line bisecting two lines is created. This line here. So let us run this. Now draw a line by using the construction line command. So first I'll select the construction line command, and then I'll draw a line here. Again, select the construction line command, and then select the offset option. The offset option enables you to create a parallel line from this construction line here. Now the command window prompts you to specify offset distance or through into bracket. If you want your line to be created at a certain distance apart, then enter the distance value and then press enter. But if you want to specify the distance directly from the screen, then select the through option. In this case, I will go with the through option. So click on this through option here. After that, you are prompted to select a line object. So select this line here. Again, the command window prompts you to specify a through point. So select a point where you wish to create your parallel line. In this case, I'll click on this point. If you still wish to offset more lines, then select the line and press it at any point that you want. So this time I'll select this line here and I'll press it here. Keep selecting lines and pressing them at the points of your choice. When you are done, press enter. So in this case, I'll offset a few more lines. Also select this one here and I'll press it here. Now that's enough, so I'll click enter. And as you can see, that is how you use the offset option. So let us select this. You can also offset a construction line by using a normal line. So let us create a line here by using the line command. And then select the construction line command and then select the offset option. Construction line command here, and now I'm going to select the offset option. And as you can see, the command window prompts you to specify the offset distance or through into bracket. In this case, I'll just select the through option here. And after select the through option, you can see here the command window prompts you to select a line object. So select this line here. After that, the command window says specify through point. So specify this point here. Again, if you still wish to offset more lines, you can just select this line and press it here. Just select any other line and press it at any point you want. And that is all about the construction line command. So let us select this.